So we have a mathematics question that says, given that tan BAC is equal to 3 over 4, find the value of sine BAC, okay? You need to understand that when we say sine or tan, these are numbers assigned for a particular number, especially on angles, okay? Now, for you to understand this, you need first to understand what is known as what? SOHCAHTOA. This word here, you need to fully understand it, okay? Like this. So SOHCAHTOA, you need to understand. Now, SOHCAHTOA is being divided into 3 parts. So we have this part for sine, this part for cos, this part for tan. So S is for this sine, and then T it is for this tan you are seeing there. Now we use SOHCAHTOA when we are dealing with a right angled triangle. So for example, if I draw a right angled triangle here like this, you have seen, huh? Now based on this one which we are given, this one here, it is acting as a guide on which side these are, okay? Now you need to understand, let's say for example this is BAC. So let's say we put B here, then C, and then let me put A here, and then C there. You have seen I. So this is BAC. So BA, so meaning the angle which is where at A, the angle which is at A here. So now where this angle is pointing, this side we call it the opposite. Meaning if this is the opposite, what will be this one? The adjacent. Now where this is pointing is called the what? The hypotenuse, which is the longest side of a right angle triangle, okay? I hope you are following. Now, based on what we are given here, they're saying tan BAC is equal to this one. So what is the meaning of 3 and 4? Now, for you to understand this, you need to come back here. So when they say TOA, which is tan, this theta or angle is equal to, so this, the actual meaning for this, it is like this. So tan theta is equal to O, means what? Opposite. And then A simply means what? Adjacent. Now opposite is corresponding to 3, so meaning here there is 3. Then adjacent is corresponding to 4, meaning here there is what? There is 4 there, okay? Now if we go to this now where they are saying find the value of sine this one, okay? So what we do is this. We say you put sine. Now where there is this one, we can put theta. Now remember, we know to say S simply means sine. So sine is equal to what? Opposite. So we put opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse like this. You say equal. Now are we given the opposite on this question? Yes, it is what? It is 3. So this one helps us to identify the sides, so that we solve this question. Okay? So now what we do, so the opposite, it is 3, so you put 3. How about the hypotenuse? It is here. Are we given the hypotenuse there? No. So we're supposed to solve the hypotenuse. So how can you solve the hypotenuse? You need to use the Pythagoras. So meaning you need to square this one, this one, this one. You square them. So it will be 3 square, 4 square, x square. So 3 square is going to give me 9, 4 square is going to give me 16, then x square. So it will be x square equal to, once you add, you get 25. What is the square root? It is x equal to 5. So meaning that here there is 5. So this 5 you put here where there is hypotenuse. So 5. So 3 over 5 here is the answer.